Hello everyone. My name is Lena, and today I want to tell you about my daily life, my dreams, and my English practice. I live in a small house with my family. We are 5 people, my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me. We love each other very much. My father drives a bus. He works hard every day. My mother is a nurse. She helps sick people. She always says, Lena, study well and be kind to others. I love my parents because they care for me and teach me good things. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and help my mother prepare breakfast. We eat together and talk about our plans for the day. Then I go to school with my brother. My school is near my house. It is small, but it is beautiful. There are many trees and flowers around it. My teachers are very nice. They smile and teach us with love. My favorite subject is English. My teacher, Mr. Lee, always says, speak simple English. Don't be shy. He plays games with us and makes learning fun. In class, we read short stories and practice speaking. Sometimes we sing English songs. It makes me happy. At lunch, I sit with my friends. We try to talk only in English. Sometimes we make mistakes, but that's okay. We laugh and learn together. After school, I come home, change my clothes, and eat lunch. Then I help my mother wash the dishes. In the afternoon, I do my homework. After that, I spend 30 minutes practicing English. I read one short story, write 5 new words, and make small sentences. Then I read them aloud. Sometimes I watch English cartoons or listen to English songs. I repeat the words and try to copy the accent. It helps me speak better. At night, I talk with my father. He asks me, what new words did you learn today? I tell him proudly, and he says, good job, Lena. His smile makes me feel strong and happy. Every Sunday, I clean my desk and organize my books. I write my plan for the new week, in English. I write. Read every day. Speak every day. Never give up. My dream is to speak English fluently. One day, I want to travel to other countries. I want to meet new people, make friends, and learn about their cultures. I also want to become a teacher. I want to help students who are afraid to speak English. I will tell them, you can do it. Don't be shy. Sometimes, I feel tired. Sometimes, I feel lazy. But I don't stop. Even if I read only 1 page, I still read. Because every small step helps me get better. My friends, if I can learn English, you can too. Read 1 story every day. Write 1 sentence every day. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Listen, repeat, and don't be afraid. We all make mistakes. But we learn from them. One day, you will speak English confidently and feel proud. Let's learn together. Let's practice together. And let's make our dreams come true. Thank you for listening to my story about my day, my dreams, and my English practice. Please keep reading, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Bye-bye, my friends.